Welcome. Today we're going to be talking about the area of a rectangle. Okay? Now, what is a rectangle defined as? Rectangle is defined as a closed object that has two parallel sides. Okay? So what that means is if we look here, this side running down and this side running down are parallel. They're going the same way and they will never cross or touch. And if we look at this side is parallel to this side. Okay? So that means we have a rectangle. Because why? We have two sets of parallel lines. Okay? Now, we're finding out the area of a rectangle. So to find the area of a rectangle, what do we do? Okay? First, we measure off the base and the width, or the height, excuse me. Now the base can be the bottom or the top, okay? And the width is going to be either side on a rectangle, okay? So in this case, we measured it out, and it came to be 20 centimeters for the base, okay? Now base times height is a formula, okay? So we're going to plug the base into the base in the formula, okay? So the base here is 20, so we're going to plug in 20, alright? And see how there's a centimeter right there? We're going to bring that up all the way up here, and we're just going to tag that on the end, okay? So it would be 20 centimeters, and I'm writing that above just to show where it is, okay? Now the second thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the height, okay? And the height is right here, right? 10 centimeters. And see how they are the same units? That's good. That means we don't have to change anything, okay? So that way we're just going to move it straight up to the height part of the formula, alright? So 10 centimeters. Okay? Now, what do we do? As you can see, we multiply. Alright, and what we're going to multiply is the 20 and 10. So does anyone know what 20 and 10 multiplies to? Alright, I'm going to make it simple, and I'm just going to show you that the zeros we're not going to count, and we're just going to do 2 times 1, which is 2. Okay? Then we're going to bring it 0, and another 0. Okay? See, we're getting the 0 there, and the 0 there. Alright? And then we can't forget about the units, so we're going to go, we're going to count how many units there are, how many sets of centimeters there are. So there's one set, two sets of centimeters, okay? And we're going to bring it down here. We go centimeter square. And we have the square because there are two sets of centimeters, okay? Thank you for watching.